Good morning children, welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all good. So in previous session we had completed up to page number 27 children. So now everyone open page number 27. So in page number 27 we had already completed this activity children. Here given one pep activity, so observe this. Make a ball and a box using the play doh given by your teacher. Okay children, so in this what we have to do? So if the clay is available with you, so you have to take clay. Okay children, you have to take dough and make a ball and box using the play doh. Yes children, we know that this is dough. Now you have to make a ball. Yes, you have to make a ball with using this clay children. Yes, I am making. If it is available with you, so please make a ball like this. Yes children, is this ball or not? Yes, shapes like the ball and the box are solid shapes. Okay, shapes like ball and the box are solid shape. Yes, you can check children. We can call this as solid shape. So first I will explain children what are solid shapes. So solid shapes means solid shapes are the object that occupies some space. Okay children, solid shapes are the objects that occupies some space. For example, if you place it on my hand, so it occupies some space. Am I correct children? So this is solid shape. Okay, this is solid shape. For example, so this is ball children. So is this occupying some space? Yes, this is occupying some space. So we call this as solid shape. Okay, we call this as solid shape. And if you place it on bench, okay, if you place it pencil box on the bench, it occupies some space. Okay, is this occupying some space children? Yes, these are all called solid shape. The object that are occupying some space, we call it as solid shape. So if you observe this book, this occupying some space. Okay, this occupying some space. So this is called solid shape. So the shapes like ball and the box are solid shape. So now just turn to next page number 28. Follow the instructions given by your teacher to see which of the objects roll and which of them slide and which of them roll and slide. So please everyone get ready with one ball and one pencil box and birthday cap and glass. Okay. So please everyone take these four objects children. So the first one is ball. Okay. So first one is ball and then pencil box and third one birthday cap and one glass. Okay children, first observe the first one, object. So first here given ball. So shall we check children, is it rolls or slides or both slides and rolls? Shall we check children? Yes. So now shall we check children, is it slides or rolls? Okay, here I leave this ball. So you have to check, is this rolls or slides? Yes children, is this rolls or slides? Yes, ball it roll. So everyone tick in this box. Does it roll here given? Yes, ball it rolls only children. Okay, so next we are given pencil box. Okay, is this pencil box rolls or slides? Yes, you have to check children. Is this pencil box rolls or slides? Yes, check children. Is this rolls or slides? Pencil box it slides only children. It not rolls. Okay, pencil box it slides, not rolls. So once again you have to check children. Yes, is this slides or rolls? Yes, it slides only children. It not rolls. But ball it rolls. Okay, so tick it slides only. So tick in second box. Okay, tick in second box children. Next here given birthday cap. Okay children, here given birthday cap. Yes, the birthday cap is like this. Okay children, the shape of the birthday cap is like this. Just if we place it on the floor or any surface, it slides only children. Okay, if you put the birthday cap in any surface, it slides, but if you leave it on the floor, it rolls. Okay, so the birthday cap, it rolls and slides. So take in third box. Okay children, birthday cap, it rolls and slides. Okay, birthday cap, it rolls and slides. Next one, glass children. So instead of glass, I am showing one object. So some glasses are also like this, no children. So shall we check, is this slides or rolls? Yes, are you ready children? Is this rolls or slides? Shall we check? Yes, if we place it like this, it rolls only children. Okay, if you place it like this, it slides, but if you leave it like this, it rolls. Am I correct children? So once again I am showing, so see clearly. So if you place it like this, okay, if you place it like this, it only slides, and if you leave it on the floor like this, it rolls. Here you have to check children, it rolls and it only slides. Okay, it rolls and it slides. So water glass, both it rolls and slides. Okay, water glass, it rolls and slides. So check in fourth box children. Yes, is it clear children? So here these four are the examples of solid shape. So you have to take these four objects and you have to check these objects are roll and slide. Okay, and so you have to check children, the objects that are having flat surfaces, they can slide. Okay, the objects that are having flat surfaces, they can slide. For example, this is having flat surfaces, no children, so they can slide. Okay, what are the objects having flat surfaces? They can slide. And what are the objects having curved surface? For example, this is ball, no children. Ball having only curved surface, so that's why this is roll. Okay, the objects that are having curved surfaces, they can roll, and the objects that are having flat surfaces, they can slide. Yes. Now everyone open companion children. Open companion page number 17 I think. Yes, open companion page number 15 children. Yes, open 15. Match each riddle with its shape. Use help box to answer the riddles. Okay, here given 4 riddles children. You have to write the correct answer, and after that you have to match it with the correct shape. Okay, after match it with the correct shape. So first one, I have no sides and round in shape. I have no sides and I am round. So in these 4, which is not having sides and round in shape children? Yes, circle is round in shape and not having side. So the answer of the first riddle is circle. Okay, answer of the first riddle is circle. You have to use help box to write here children. So here everyone write circle and match the first one with circle. Okay, is it clear? So first one you have to match it with circle. So like that you have to complete remaining 3 children. Okay, here 3 more riddles are there. So you have to read it and match with the correct shape and write the name of the shape also children. Here given help box, you have to use this help box to write the name of the shape. Okay, is it clear to everyone children? So this is about today's class. So in today's class we had discussed about solid shape. Yes, what are the solid shape? Solid shapes are the object that occupy some space. Okay, the objects that are occupying some space are called solid shape. So for example, ball is an example of solid shape. Okay children, so everyone complete the work given in everyone complete companion page number 15 and post in Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day.